Mike Pettiford here with GO4IT Racing. Got a couple of bikes for sale. I love these bikes dearly, but I'm getting a new bike. So what are you going to do? So this is a 2014 BMW 1000 RR HP4 Comp Edition, number 3447. They're fairly rare. They come with the Akrapovic exhaust, many carbon bits, adjustable everything, like you have an adjustable front brake lever, adjustable clutch, adjustable shifter, which you can't see, it's on the other side, trust me, it's there. And this makes about 199 horsepower. It's speed limited to 186 miles an hour, and then it hits the speed limiter, which you can get taken off, but for my street bike, it has not been a problem. It only has 2,050 miles on it. That's how little I've ridden it. It's a great bike. I'm asking anything over 16.5 takes it. So give me a call at 303-666-4113 or go to my website, www.go4itservices.com, and it's just like the logo, the number 4, not F-O-R or F-O-U-R. So, beautiful bike. Give me a call. Hate to see it go, but new bike is coming in. Thanks. Safe travels.